Now we'll put the value of VA, VB. So then E is equal to VA is equal to what? V minus V minus VB divided by the distance x. Then distance will be what? X minus x plus dx. This minus this we are doing, so therefore x minus x plus dx. Then this value will come, E is equal to, that is dv by x cancel minus dx. So therefore E is equal to minus dv by dx. Now see, dv by dx is the potential gradient. Minus sign is showing opposite one. Yes. So therefore the quantity dv by dx is the rate of change of potential with distance. Rate of change of potential with distance, and is known as potential gradient, and is known as potential gradient. So therefore potential gradient is electric intensity is negative potential gradient. Now next part, is derivation of expression for electric potential. Derivation of electric potential due to a point charge. Due to a point charge. Now, first of all, we will do potential due to a point charge. Potential due to a point charge. Potential at a point due to a point charge. Okay. Due to a point charge. Now for this, let us consider a plus q charge kept at O. For this, we will consider a point charge plus q kept at O, and we have to find out the potential at P. Potential at a point P at a distance is how much? R. Distance is R. Now also we know, according to what potential gradient, electric intensity is negative potential gradient. So E is equal to minus dB by dr. Here we will write R because distance we are taking R. So therefore dV is equal to minus E into dr. Also we know electric intensity at P due to charge Q. Electric intensity at P due to charge Q is how much? E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Q by R square. This one we know. Now here we are taking 2 points A and B. Here we are considering 2 points, say it is A, this one is B. Okay, we are taking this one A and this one is B. So distance from O, it is RB, this is RA. Okay, this is RA, RB. Now we'll find out the potential difference between the points A and B at a distance. What is? For A it is distance, it is RA. For B it is how much? RB. At a distance RA and RB from the charge plus Q kept at O. So then we'll integrate this one. dV A to B is equal to minus EdR from A to B. Now this one will be how much? V from A to B minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square into dr, that is A to B. This can be written as upper limit minus lower limit will do VB minus VA. This is minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught outside, that is A to B 1 by R dr. So this is potential difference actually. This will be written as, R square. R square is there. So minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught integration of 1 by R square is minus 1 by R. So this one will be minus 1 by R A to B. Now VB minus VA is equal to, minus we are taking outside, so then this one will be what? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by R B. Okay, here it is minus, so keep minus. Minus we are keeping. Minus minus plus RB by 1 by RA. VB minus VA equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Integration of 1 by R square is minus 1 by R A to B, minus minus plus. Now we are putting upper limit minus lower limit. So this is, now let the potential due to the point charge Q be 0 at infinity. Actually what happened, if this is a point charge, source charge, it will create what? The electric field around it beyond its field is known as infinity. Okay, so therefore no effect of this charge beyond its field, so that potential will be 0. Okay, the potential at infinity is taken as 0. As you see, as we are bringing from A to B, as what happened? A is tending towards, going towards or very close to infinity. Okay, so then what happened? As RA tends to what? Infinity. RA tends to infinity. So then what happened? Then VA tends to 0. VA approaches to 0. Okay, and if you are taking VB is V, VB is what? The V. So then this equation becomes, are you getting me or not? When this point is going to infinity, the potential at infinity is 0. So VA will be 0, because we have taken potential at A is VA, potential at B is what? VB. And then what happened? We are taking, say it is, now we are bringing from infinity to direct to the point P. That one we are taking what? As V. So then B will be where? At P. So then potential will be what? At P it will be what? V. Okay. So then first we are doing this one. So then here what happened? VA is 0. So therefore VB is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by RB minus 0, because 1 by infinity is 0. So therefore VB is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by RB. Now, instead of point B, we are considering point P. Instead of point B, we are considering, we have to find out that potential at P. If P is the potential at a distance small r from the charge plus Q, then potential at P will write what? B is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by what is R? Q by R. So this is potential at P. Now, so all this we have discussed by using the medium as free space or vacuum.